guess what? I'm hiking out by the Air Force Base today, and it's been non-stop explosions all day. And then there's non-stop jet action. I don't know, but anyway, it's loud as around here today. Like, the Air Force Base is popping. Like, all the explosions, I've never heard so many, and I'm really curious. And that's kind of why I'm out here. I'm trying to get a bird's eye view of what's going on. I have my water with lemon and blueberries. The blueberries were frozen. There's always crazy stuff happening out here. It's like going towards Lake Mead. And Lake Mead itself always has weird shit going on. Like, one time I was hiking a little mountain over next to this mountain, and there's a little cave. And when I was chilling in the cave, I'm just looking in the distance, and then all of a sudden I hear like two freaking trains collide together. It sounded like it was the biggest thing I've ever heard. And then I see this big ass cloud of dust, and I don't know what they blew up, but I'm spying on them. There's some jets. Also, the weather lately has been so unreliable that I just had to come somewhere close. Like, it's just like too stressful trying to figure out what the weather's gonna be lately. They can't even tell you when it's gonna rain and stuff. It's wild. So guess what? I'm out here with an umbrella, sunny skies, but guess what? That's how the weather's been. It's been saying it's gonna rain when it's not. It's been saying it's gonna be sunny when it rains. And so I'm prepared for anything right now. I just had to wear my beanie on my head because it was so freaking cold with the wind. It was hurting my ears. But anyway, we're out here having fun. More jets. I'm telling you, they're just non-stop all day doing this stuff. And then explosions, like boom, boom, boom. Try and get a better view of these activities happening. Servers, you want to go spy on the Air Force Base? Zayla, you want to go spy on the Air Force Base? You have no idea. Just out here watching. You know why? Because what are all these explosions? That's all I want to know. I've lived out here for a long time, and I've never heard a full day of just back-to-back explosions. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? So we're out here being nosy because, like, you're kind of distracting me from the shit I need to do. Hello? I love how the higher we get on this mountain, the more stuff there is, like plant life. Oh, Zayla. Because, like, you wouldn't even think, looking at this mountain, that there's, like, any plants, right? But we saw a prickly pear cactus with flowers on it. I didn't get any pictures or videos because I was in the zone. I was just trying to get my cardio. That's what I'm here for today, suffering and spying. I didn't take a picture or a video of the blooming prickly pear I saw earlier because I'm in the zone. Today is a day where I'm trying to suffer and apparently spy. I didn't plan on spying really, but I wanted to suffer today. I was out here the other day, no phone, running with my dogs. See, like, from the bottom of this mountain, it doesn't even look like there's plants up here. Doggies, look at the moon. Zayla's waiting for me. So is Sarah. Look at that face. You're lying. You can't be that cute. That's crazy. Stop it. Wind is hurting my ears. leash off the mountain. What the fuck? Hiding behind this rock so it'll blow away. They're gonna fly over. I brought stuff for Zayla to lay on because I knew the rocks would be uncomfortable, and look, she loves it. Oh, you're so perfect. Aww. Aww. He's trying to chase things. He went after like a lizard. He went after a lizard down the freaking mountain and almost died. You almost died. Now you're on the leash, which makes hiking difficult. See, I'm not lying. Huge boom, huge boom. Big black cloud, big black cloud. What is happening? That was the loudest boom. Now it's just going into the air. Thanks. You see this plane going crazy? What's going on? Quit looking for creatures. Hello? Cerberus, you're acting like I would let you chase it if you saw one. Not gonna happen. That's why you're on this leash, making my life hard, you know? Because you're just crazy. You're just crazy. Why does he try and be a freaking billy goat? Like, hello? Cerberus, you're gonna die. Zayla is stressing me out. I can't handle it. We're gonna start heading back down the mountain now. Hey, that plane is making more smoke. Zayla, humans are weird. They're like, let's just go out here and spend millions on fuel just to like hang out for the day. Tell me they're not just hanging out. He's just going up and down and around, up, around, down. Whoa, he's doing spirals. I mean, you're getting paid to do that? It must be fun. You guys want to see a full aerial view? Let's see how we can go from one side to the other. Obviously, you can't see all the way that way, but... Tell me angels aren't real. After meeting Zayla, you will definitely know angels are real. She's not an animal. She's an angel sent here. So we're out here getting away from my ghetto neighbors. We're spying on the freaking Air Force Base, and we're enjoying the life that we're supposed to live of freedom. I figured out what Zayla's doing. She's grounding herself. Me too. Sitting on the ground. I've been just like choosing a lot of different spots and just sitting there. Today is about grounding. I feel it. I feel easy. We can be grounding. We're grounding. She's all revived and thriving with her happy face. Happy face, happy baby. I love you, baby. I love you so much. Baby. He's just always looking for stuff. Now I'm sitting at this cave. Since we're out here talking about the Air Force Base, spying on the Air Force Base, and you know, just chilling, I might as well tell you something. I think this mountain has stuff under it. Just gonna put that out there. I'm gonna leave it at that short little sentence. Stuff under. That's it. Take it as you will. Create your own little illusion. I don't know, but this mountain is sus. And it's so close to the Air Force Base. But then it's crazy because the other side of this mountain, on the other side, going out towards Lake Mead, I was at the dog park once and this guy was there and we were talking about like going out towards Lake Mead. I'm like, man, I wish it was nicer out there. It's just so weird and creepy and like so much bad stuff happens out there and like there's no authority and stuff like that. And he's like, yeah, I like taking my dogs like hiking out there, but I had to stop because like there's people living out there. He's like, they were like coming, I saw them like poking out and stuff, and I was like, huh? He was literally describing Hills Have Eyes, and he was seeing that with his dog. I'm good. Ugh. I turned around and see a bunch of jets doing something cool. I missed it though. it now. Okay, now we're done because I can't sit out here watching these jets any longer. But that was fun. Thanks for spying with me. See you on the next adventure.